Pisa, where the great Italian mathematician and astronomer first worked, Galileo Galilei. In 1608, he turned the telescope, a Dutch invention weaker than modern binoculars, to the sky. He found moons around Jupiter and craters on our moon. Galileo saw the phases of Venus and angered the Church with his sun-centered views. In the late 17th century, the English genius Isaac Newton split sunlight into the colors of the rainbow, a spectrum. He developed the reflecting telescope, using mirrors rather than lenses to collect and focus light. And Newton worked out gravity, a force of attraction between all bodies. It explained Kepler's laws, and modern astronomy was born. In 1781, William Herschel discovered the planet Uranus. And through a telescope he built in England, Herschel mapped the Milky Way. He deduced it was the sideways view of a galactic disk, but not until the mid-19th century did the aristocrat Lord Rosse reveal the spiral structure of galaxies. He made this sketch of the Whirlpool galaxy from his castle in Ireland. There he had a telescope, for half a century the world's biggest. The late 19th century saw two developments. One was spectroscopy, first demonstrated by Newton. Light from celestial objects could be analyzed to show their chemical composition. The other was photography, recording comets and mapping stars. A new century, and in 1917 this telescope, the 100-inch hooker, opened at Mount Wilson, California. Through it, the American astronomer Edwin Hubble made a profound discovery from the spectra of galaxies. They were all rushing away from each other. The universe was expanding. And peering even deeper, in 1947, the first 5-meter telescope, the Hale, confirmed the expansion. Simultaneously, radio astronomy began, the start of observation in wavelengths other than light. With the space age came observatories in orbit. Free of atmospheric interference, they could peer in infrared, ultraviolet, and X-rays. The Hubble Space Telescope provided a similar clear eye for optical astronomy. Hubble images were stunning, and they were captured by a new breed of highly sensitive electronic detector, the CCD, or charge-coupled device.